Alright, so in this video, I take my headlight buckets that are corroded, dirty, broken, I tear them apart, clean them up, and go from looking like this to looking like this. The first part of the video, it's like a minute long. It's me just tearing the whole housing and stuff apart. But after that, I get into exactly what I did on the headlights. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Alright, so I've been working on my headlights on the truck. Basically, headlights look like so. You have basically a bezel, the headlight, a bucket, and then another bucket. They have a spring and then two adjusters. I'm going to pull this apart. The adjusters normally break, as you can see on this right here where it's like broke. They are basically these things, and they have a bolt that goes through them, and it mounts up so you can adjust your headlights outside of the truck, the front of the truck. So there's two, and then there's a spring on the corner. So I ended up taking my headlights apart, taking them all apart, and then so you basically take them apart. You have the back bucket piece, and then you have the piece that holds the headlight, and then you have the headlight, and then you have the bezel. I started off by sandblasting them. Got them all cleaned up, and then I ground off the spot welds for the adjusters, so then I could pull these off, and then I ended up painting them black. And then I ended up ordering the S&P automotive kit, and they come with new adjusters, spring, pop rivets, and then new bolts. So the factory ones end up basically either stripping out, or you crack them and break them, and then you can't adjust your headlights anymore. So they came out with a kit, so I figured I'd get two of them and redo mine while I'm at it. So that's kind of where I'm at with this. So I have the two kits, and then I have all my headlight bucket, and then the back part painted all black. So now I can install the new adjustment part on these for the buckets. So I ended up buying a cheap pop rivet gun from Harbor Freight. It was like $9, so I'm going to put those on. And that's kind of why I have this extra headlight, so then I can see how the headlight adjusters need to go, so then I can put that back together the way they should go. Alright, these look like there's two different types to them. One is one style. One looks like this. And the other one looks like this. It's more triangular shape. Got that one. And then this one. Looks like this one's the angled one. And then this one's the flat one. Like so. Alright, so that goes there. This one goes here. Way. Alright, so you can see the triangular one and then the more square one, just similar to those. That one would be like the triangular one and that one's the most square one. So basically like that. That one's the same way. Alright, so here's these two. One side on there. This is the other side. Now I'll do the other side. Ow. Alright, so I finished these up after I pinched my finger on the pop rivet gun. So these are all on here, both sets now. All nice pop riveted on this side. Hope I did it right. I have the adjusters on and the springs. Put the springs on. I'll show you. The adjuster screws, you basically have to do those at the same time so that they go in line. Put the springs on. Basically all you do is put it through the hole and then stretch it up over the corner here. I don't know how angled these are. I basically just tried to make them look level. Both sides. Tried to make them look level, and then yeah. So all that's left is I'm gonna get some headlights. Probably not sealed beams like this. I have a couple of ideas I want to go with, but we'll see whether or not I do a one or the other, or yeah, I just know I'm not gonna go with sealed beams like this. I'll probably do something different, whether I do E-codes and then run relays and whatnot, or what have you. But and then put your headlight in, and then you just put your bezel on, and then that's it. I have some fresh looking lights that don't look all rusty and whatnot, the buckets. Also, I ended up finding on Summit Racing, they had these bezels I found, which are basically chrome or polished. They look better than those. I didn't really look around to see if I could find it on any Volkswagen sites, but Summer Racing had these, and I figured I'd try it out and see if they fit, and they do. They're the same exact thing. These feel a little bit heavier than those, and I don't know if they're plated or what, but they're definitely shinier than those versus trying to clean those up. Those are kind of dull and rusty in some spots, so I just figured I'd get these, and they fit to try them out. So yeah, now all I got to do is get some headlights, and then I can throw these in. So alright, so that's the headlights buckets done. I still have more to do on those, but the buckets are done. I can set those aside, concentrate on other things, and then yeah, trying to go through, do some things I can do videos on. I've been working on the truck in other ways, but that's just doing things here and there. I pretty much have the front end parts on. As far as the bags, air setup, I did some adjusting on the rear setup. I have the gas tank to put on, and I've been going through like denibbing areas on the truck and getting ready to do cut and buff. I'm planning on buffing areas where there's bad orange peel with like 1500, and then 2000, and then 3000 grit. But for the most part, I'll be doing 2000 grit over the whole truck, and then 3000. But certain areas I'm going to do 1500, I think. But I've already got most of the runs knocked out with 15, and all the nibs. I put 2000 on them, got rid of them. So yeah, those are all knocked down, ready to go. So yeah, I just got a lot of sanding to do on the truck. But I'm trying to knock things out here and there. So doing things I can, getting it out of the way. The engine's still being worked on. I called a couple weeks ago, and they were getting it ready to be bored. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they're just super busy or what. So yeah, anywho, that's where I'm at. I'm still working on the truck here and there, but this was just a little video I wanted to knock out and show you guys I've been doing some stuff. I have the trans all painted. I've been working on refreshing some of the seals and stuff on it, getting it ready to go. And then I've got the shifter parts, the links ready to go. But yeah, I'm still waiting for the engine to build that. And then I gotta go into I gotta get into doing a lot of the cut and buff stuff. But anywho, here's a little video. Figured I'd knock one out for you guys. So trying out this S&P headlight adjuster kit after I painted these. So I got tons of other parts painted, ready to go on the truck. I just gotta go through it all and install little bits one at a time. But anywho, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be working on the gas tank next. But thanks for watching. As always, appreciate everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.